Good morning, brothers and sisters. Good afternoon. How are you? How was your week? Hope you are blessed. So this morning, what I thought about was beware of evil friends. Believe it or not, friends contribute 80% of influence in our lives. Friends we keep. Most life many of us are living today are influenced by friends we kept. And our role models, pastors, inspirationals, those counselors we listen to, and many of us are regretting those lives, regretting those decisions we made because of the friends we kept. That is why the Bible is telling us, choose your friend wisely. If we look at the book of Proverbs 22, 24 to 25, it said, make no friends with a man given to anger, nor to a wrathful man, lest you learn his ways and entangle yourself in a snare. When you are in a friend with someone who is engraved with anger, or with someone who has negative ways, who act negatively, who do things that is not of God, he will influence you. If care is not taken, you learn his ways and you do those things that he do. Choose your friends wisely today. Friends we keep matters a lot in our lives. Friends we keep matters a lot. Associate yourself with people of good quality, for it is better to be alone than being a bad company. Booker T. Washington. This was his quote. He said, associate yourself with people of good quality, for it is better to be alone than being a bad company. A second person said, in life, we never lose friends. We only learn who they truly are. Friends. Respect yourself enough to walk away from anything that no longer survive you, grow you, or make you happy. Respect yourself enough to walk away. We have two types of friends, major two types of friends in life. A good friend is a blessing. A bad friend, a friend that fake friends who pretend to be your friends but slander you behind your back. Second friend, the bad influence, the friend that entices you to sin, go down the wrong path. So please, what kind of friends do you have? Is it that one that influences you to drink, prostitute, steal, tell you that this level you are is the best? There are many that will even tell you that you know many people who lost their life because they want to improve their life. I bet you not see me. I just get comfortable there. What I want to do. Sure, you're good for me. I not get time. Now me one can't day when one man will come, they use me till they play up and down. One man in the name of Capo will they use me till they do like this. That is why you rejected that 800 euro work. That is why you rejected that 700 euro work. That is why you rejected that 900 euro work. He will not be able to calculate your money. How much should they get? You will go sure you will get 40 euro, 30 euro. Times some now, times 30. And every day is not the same. Some days you will go, you get 2 euro. And you forget that you did not own Questora. That you go there. You with your contract of work. Is it not foolishness? When you have contract, they will be paying tax for you, paying contribution for you. At the end of the contract, you will go and do some disoccupation and they will pay you. But you will now work your shoro, use it to go and buy contract without benefit. Is it not foolishness? So please, is it that kind of friends that will pretend love you but go behind your back and say that one? Now wish you know anything they do? All your secret will tell it out to other people. But we come your friend and pretend you don't know what happened. Is it that kind of friends you keep? Be wise. Choose your friends wisely. Many friends have influenced many girls to become single mothers today. Those ones you listen to on Facebook, they have given birth to different men. They are there with a man with pregnant and yet they will say they are going to Germany to give birth so that they will have Germany document. Before the boy even decide to read that they are pregnant for another man. Again, later they will now become marriage counselor on Instagram, on Facebook. Little girls will be listening to them. Be wise. Many of your friends in camp, in project with you, advising you, you dey hurry, you want to go marry, you will never achieve anything. Most of their children in secondary school in Nigeria, they get birth before they come here. Their children in primary school, primary 6, some are in SS1, some people, their children are even in university. You are imitating your life with them, telling you the boy you have is a bad one. And that one when they do sharon, now you want to follow. That one when not get better job, now you want to follow. Ask her, what is she doing in Europe? You that your husband tell you to go and do prostitution in Europe, may you they bring money, can't give her for Nigeria. Now you better pass. Be wise, little girls. That is why you abandon the man who want to engage you. You find one excuse, say not kneel down. That is why you don't want to take the ring. Now so that they do it for abroad. Your papa kneel down, engage your mama. Bad influence. Bad influence. Bad influence. 1 Peter 4, 3-4. For you spend enough time in the past doing what the Gentiles like to do. Living on hostility, sensuality, sinful desire, drunkenness, wide celebration, drinking parties, and instability, idolatry. They insult you now because they are surprised that you are no longer joining them in the same exercise of wildlife. Sam, everything I tell you here is in the Bible. Now I'm telling you, you decide to change. Those your group of friends, they will insult you, they will tell you bad name because you don't want to join them again. It's in the Bible. 1 Peter 4, chapter 4, 3-4. He said, you spend time enough in the past doing Gentiles, what the Gentiles like to do, living sexuality life, sinful desires, drunkenness, wild celebration, party, drinking parties, and the disturbing idolatry. They insult you now because they are surprised that you no longer join them in doing exercise of wild living. So please, even when they are mocking you, idiot, you know what to do again. You don't want, they form holy, leave them. It's better than they call you that name that you destroy with them. They call you bad person than say you follow them, go perish. Many people are in prison because of bad friends. Your name is in Questora today for bad record because of bad friends, because of friends you keep. Many of you are single mothers today because of you listening to bad people. Engagement ring is not marriage. They engage you, it's not a marriage. The man engage you, you have given birth to 1, 2, 3. You are calling the man my husband. It's not your husband, sister. It's your boyfriend. Many of you get birth, my family did not even know the boy name. That is not the life God destined for you. That is not the life God desires for you. The role model you follow, listen to their story carefully. That is not how they get to where they are. You want to pass shortcut. The people you admire, that is not how they get where they are. You are too in haste. Calm down. Please. Ephesians 5 verse 11 have nothing to do with the fruitless deed of darkness, but rather expose them. When you see those things that is not good, rather than conceal yourself in them, expose them. It's better for you. First John 4 verse 1. Beloved, do not believe every spirit, but test the spirit to see whether they are from God. For many false prophets have gone out into the world. That is why my pastor tell me, say, the Bible is telling you in 1 John 4 verse 1, test all spirits. Not be everything when your prophet, your pastor tell you. He will tell many false prophets are there. Listen to God. You need secret place to hear from God, not with crowd. The people you are staying with, you see with Jesus, when he was with his disciples, if you want to speak to God, he leave them, go far to speak to God. God needs quiet place to speak to you. When God want to speak to Moses, he was in the bush when they appeared to him in the bush. When David want to choose as a king, he was in the bush, in a quiet place, rearing animal on his own when they sent for him. Joseph was in the sleep, in the dream, when God revealed his destiny to him. Abraham was alone when God spoke to him, leave your father's land and go to a land which I will show to you. Stay alone. All those ones when I tell say 2 heads, they are it not be every head, 2 heads are better than one. If you carry a rotten head and join to your good head, it will corrupt your head. Not every head that will join to you that your head will be good. That one will corrupt your head. If you cannot change them, they will change you. Many people are in early grave today because of friends. My friend say, my friend, I saw that they do am. I saw that they do am. 9 people sojourn until died today. They can't renew it. Now Germany, today they will tell you, now Germany good pass, now France good pass. That is how many people lost their sojourner. They are living in camp. They will never tell you the truth. They are in the bush. They put them in the bush. So can't even go to the city easily. The money for them to go out in city in Germany there is better. They save the money. You are imitating them. Because of that, the relationship you are building little. You run and leave the relationship because you want to go and make money in Germany. The 6,000 you used to buy father there, if you use it to convert it, you maybe would have owned your 2-bedroom flat, 3-bedroom flat now. If house is your problem, or own your business, are you not ashamed? We are here. Later you say, Senegal. Who want to do the Senegal? They are better than you because those people, they went to school here, they have their patented, they drive car. That is why you, that form say you be sitting, you are wise, you are trekking with leg. You call them to come and carry you. Can't you see Ghana people? See Senegal people in this country. Senegal women, they this country. You can never see them on the internet. Not only Benin, Isha. And Nigeria, you will see on the internet women arguing, talking rubbish on social media every day. Look at Senegal women. They hustle with their husband. Their husband hold a torch for hand, hold candle, stick for hand, selling. They will see her with their pikin for back, making money. But you will subscribe your phone on the internet. Doing marriage counselor when they never pay by price for your head. When you don't go for 2 men, which wisdom do you have to counsel another person? You won't get log of food for your eye. You the tell person when get you stick for it, oh, make it remove your own. And they will see they listen to you. You are evil influence. Delete your social page and stop this life you are living. If you are hearing me today. The friends you keep, the people you listen to, They are your doom because you don't want to be wise. You ignore the voice of God and follow the voice of men. That is why they are in the Bible. Go on my Facebook page. I just finished my preaching before saying this. I always do short video because of Instagram and other social network. Go to my Facebook page. You will find the full live video I did, the full preaching. There are many scriptures there for you to take. Go and read them on your own. You find out that the life you are living is not the will of God for you. It's the will of your friends that you are living. You are living the will of your friends, not the will of God. May God bless you. The Bible said in Matthew 5, 29 to 13, but if the right eye be a snare to thee, pluck it out and cast it from thee. If it is profitable to thee that one of the members perish, not the whole body be cast into hell. And if the right hand be a snare to thee, cut it off and cast them away. For it is profitable for thee that one of the members perish, and not all the whole body be cast into hell. That is why the Bible says, if your eye is your problem, one eye will make you not enter the kingdom of heaven, cut them off. Remove and throw them away. It's better for you to enter heaven with one eye than your full body be cast into hell. Hell is real. Hell is real. May God bless you. May God bless you. May you listen to this word and take heed of it. May God let this word dwell in your heart. For you today, watch around. Think around you, those people around you, those people you call your friend. What benefits are they to you? It's better for you to fight alone than fight with friends that will leave you in the middle of that fight. God bless you. Choose wisely today and live a better life. You could have lived a better life more than the way you are living. It's because of your friends. Choose wisely. God bless you.